Mama.
Hey, Carlo, you want some chocolate? Want chocolate? Here, get it. Get it out of there. Get the chocolate. Where's the chocolate?
Daddy.
That's right, chocolate. Okay, give it Uncle Chris. Come here. Oh, no. That wasn't supposed to happen.
Good.
Oh, yeah, we made a mess. Yep, eat it.
Miss?
Yep, mess. Eat it. Good? You like it? You want, what do you want?
Miss?
You want some more? Some more.
Miss?
Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.